Question number 1. Which country will host the Southeast Asian Games in 2027? Correct answer is option D, Malaysia. Question number 2. Which tab is used to open a new file in MS Word? Correct answer is option B, File. Question number 3. What is a group of dolphins called? Correct answer is option C, Pod. Question number 4. Which party won the most seats in the Delhi Assembly by election 2025? Correct answer is option A, AAP. Question number 5. Aman Jammu won a silver medal in which weight category in 2025? Correct answer is option B, 65 kg. Question number 6. In which direction are qualitative alignment categorized? Correct answer is option C, vertically. Question number 7. The bearded statue found in Mohenjo-daro was made of which material? Correct answer is option C, stated. Question number 8. What is called the mountain in the northern part of the Himalayas? Correct answer is option A, Himadri. Question number 9. Which of the following is an example of an indirect tax? Correct answer is option C, GST. Question number 10. The Asmita loan scheme is a special category scheme launched by which bank? Correct answer is option D, State Bank of India. Question number 11. In which article is the application of direct principle of state policy mentioned? Correct answer is option B, Article 37. Question number 12. Which country is located to the east of Arunachal Pradesh? Correct answer is option D, Myanmar. Question 13. Who is the current chairman of Niti Aayog? Correct answer is option B, Narendra Modi. Question number 14. How many days did Sunita Williams stay in space? Correct answer is option B, 286. Question number 15. How many islands are there in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Correct answer is option D, 572. Question number 16. Which institution replaced the Planning Commission of India? Correct answer is option B, Niti Aayog. Question number 17. Why do we organize data? Correct answer is option C, to make it meaningful. Question number 8. In which country has recently been declared free from blindness? Correct answer is option A, Nigeria. Question number 19. Which Indian Prime Minister established the Planning Commission? Correct answer is option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 20. Which country ranks first in the Climate Change Performance Index 2025? Correct answer is option D, Denmark. Question number 21. Where was the Ajni Warrior Joint Military Exercise held? Correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. Question number 22. Which of the following is a dance form in which singing is not used? Correct answer is option B, Bharatanatyam. Question number 23. Which bank recently completed 90 years of establishment? Correct answer is option C, Reserve Bank of India. Question number 24. Where was a parallel government formed during the Quiet India movement? Correct answer is option C, Balia. Question number 25. India's largest plateau is part of which geological structure? Correct answer is option B, Gondwana land. Question number 26. In Varli painting, what is applied first as the base? Correct answer is option C, Guru Kalai. Question number 27. Who is known as the father of the Indian Renaissance? Correct answer is option C. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Question number 28. Who is the current governor of the Reserve Bank of India? Correct answer is option B. Sanjay Malhotra. Question number 29. The corners of which hills in Meghalaya are not covered by forest? Correct answer is option B. Arvali Hills. Question number 30. Which country will host the Southeast Asian Games in 2027? Correct answer is option D. Malaysia. Question number 36. The Supreme Court judge retires at the age of? Correct answer is option C. 65 years. Question number 32. The impeachment procedure of the President of India is based on which country model? Correct answer is option B. USA. Question number 33. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the Panchayati Raj system? Correct answer is option B. Part 4th. Question number 34. Which article of the Constitution provides for the protection of life and personal liberty? Correct answer is option C. Article 21. Question number 35. How many members can the President nominate to the Rajya Sabha? Correct answer is option B. 12. Question number 36. Which article of the Constitution prohibits child labor below the age of 14 years? Correct answer is option C. Article 24. Question number 37. The 44th Constitution Amendment Act was enacted in which year? Correct answer is option B. 1978. Question number 38. The President of India can declare a financial emergency under which article? Correct answer is option D. Article 360. Question number 39. The concept of president rule in state is taken from the constitution of which country? Correct answer is option D. Germany. Question number 40. Which country will host the Southeast Asian Games in 2027? Correct answer is option D. Malaysia.